Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to benefit from vitamin E capsules. We'll explore the key advantages this essential nutrient offers for your overall well-being. You'll learn about its role in protecting your cells, boosting your immune system, and enhancing your skin and hair health. We'll also cover practical tips for incorporating it into your daily routine effectively. Vitamin E is a fantastic ally for your skin and hair. It works to deeply moisturize your skin, helping to reduce issues like dryness and flakiness. For your hair, it supports a healthy scalp, which is crucial for growth, and can even add a lovely shine and strength to your strands, helping to prevent breakage. Many people notice visible improvements. Beyond external benefits, vitamin E is a powerhouse for your internal health. It significantly strengthens your immune system, making your body more resilient against illness. As a potent antioxidant, it diligently protects your cells from harmful oxidative stress and helps reduce inflammation. This also contributes positively to your cardiovascular health, safeguarding your blood vessels. To get the most from vitamin E capsules, it's wise to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. Generally, most adults benefit from around 15 milligrams daily. Remember to take your capsules with food, as vitamin E is fat-soluble, which aids in better absorption. Also, be mindful of potential interactions with any other medications you might be taking for safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.